Hey guys, welcome to the ThetaSphere channel. Wanted to make a quick video on how you guys can create your own Theta wallet. So go ahead to your web browser and type in thetatoken.org. When you guys get to this page, go ahead and click on wallet. This is a page that's going to be used to log into an existing wallet, or in this case to create one. So go ahead and hit create wallet. It's going to ask you to set up a password, so pick something pretty sophisticated so nobody can hack it. Go ahead, read through this, guys, so you know what you're doing. Basically, this is going to download what they call a key store file to your computer, typically to your downloads folder, and you'll use that file to log back in with the password that you're creating now. So go ahead, hit download key store. It's going to download to your computer. This screen, read through it. When you hit continue, it's going to take you to a page where you're going to write down 12 words. This is another method to get back into your wallet. So go ahead, hit continue, and write down these 12 words. Make sure they're all spelt correctly. Your words are going to be different, and make sure they're in the exact same order that they're showing you right now. Go ahead, hit continue, and you guys just created a wallet. So next, you're going to want to hit unlock wallet. It's going to ask you to choose your key store file. That's going to look like this. When you open it up, just go ahead and click on this and put in your password, and then that'll load up. Once it does, it verifies, and you're going to go ahead and click on unlock wallet. Now it's going to take you into your own wallet. So here's your address right here, guys. So you can also get it by hitting receive. Here's a QR code of it and your address. If you guys are purchasing Theta and TFuel on an exchange and you want to send it over to your wallet, this is the address that you're going to use. Now it doesn't matter if you send Theta or TFuel, it's just one address and it'll know which one to put it into. And that's about it, guys. When you start making transactions, they're going to show up here. So appreciate you guys watching. If you guys liked the video, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Thanks, guys.